The snow's coming down even harder now. Let's go check on Alan. There he is, at the driveway. Oh my heavens. Still coming down, eh? This is bad.
How are you going to drive through all that snow?
Pardon?
How are you going to drive through all that snow?
We're not. This is a snow day.
Juliet has work, right?
Yep.
She should be able to move her car several feet and then call 911.
You think so? This is terrible. Look, there's the neighbors and their dogs.
You should be able to get out of here.
You should be, but maybe not.
Then just get out there.
Oh my, it's really coming down. I can't believe this. This is the worst storm I've seen in many years.
Oh, they said, I heard last night it's the worst snow for the year.
Yeah? Well, yeah, it's only mid-December. This is awful. Oh, that's funny. Oh, he loves the snow, eh?
You're in the backyard, it was the funniest thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Ready?
That's crazy.
Oh. You're getting tired. Come here. Come here.
Okay.
Come here.